Have you ever wondered if your credit score is a true reflection of your financial health? Many people trust the numbers, but what if they're not the whole story? Today, we're diving deep into the world of credit scores, specifically the Borrowell credit score. Is it legit? Let's find out. Before we get into Borrowell, let's understand what a credit score is and why it matters. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, based on factors like your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and new credit. It plays a crucial role in various aspects of your financial life, from getting a loan or mortgage to renting an apartment. So, why do we need to question the legitimacy of credit scores? Well, it's because they're not perfect. They can be influenced by factors beyond your control, such as errors in your credit report or changes in the economy. Additionally, different credit bureaus use different models to calculate credit scores, which can lead to variations. Introducing Borrowell. Now, let's talk about Borrowell. It's a Canadian financial technology company that offers a free credit score and credit monitoring service. Many people trust Borrowell because it provides a simple and accessible way to track their credit health. But is the Borrowell credit score accurate and reliable? Analyzing Borrowell's legitimacy. To determine whether Borrowell's credit score is legit, we need to consider several factors. Data accuracy. Borrowell relies on the data provided by the major credit bureaus in Canada. If the data is inaccurate, it can lead to an inaccurate credit score. While Borrowell has systems in place to verify the accuracy of the data, it's important to regularly review your credit report to identify any errors. Calculation methodology. Borrowell uses a proprietary algorithm to calculate its credit score. While the specific details of the algorithm are not publicly disclosed, it's essential to ensure that it aligns with industry standards and best practices. User experience. Many people find Borrowell's user interface to be intuitive and easy to navigate. This can make it a convenient tool for tracking your credit score and monitoring your credit health. Customer reviews. Reading customer reviews can provide insights into the overall experience of using Borrowell. Look for feedback on the accuracy of the credit score, the responsiveness of customer support, and any issues users have encountered. Beyond the credit score. While the Borrowell credit score is a valuable tool, it's important to remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. Your financial health is influenced by many other factors, such as your income, expenses, and savings. Don't rely solely on your credit score to assess your overall financial well-being. Is Borrowell credit score legit? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. While Borrowell provides a reliable and accessible way to track your credit score, it's essential to be aware of its limitations and to regularly review your credit report for accuracy. By understanding the factors that influence your credit score and taking proactive steps to improve it, you can achieve a strong financial foundation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.